Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Wizz app. You click on settings. Here we click on apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this page you will search about the application of Wizz and you will click here in this window. In this page of app info you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then you will click on clear cache. In the end you will turn off your phone. When you click on clear cache, then you will go to Play Store. You will search here about Wizz app. And then you will update your app on Play Store. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.